What's going on, guys? It's Holland back from Kokafea. We're super excited for our final piece of the Mandalorian. It is the Mandalorian himself. Let's get into it. So starting off with a rough sketch as always, we're going to start with the arms, the chest, and then the legs. Now that we have a good base down, I'm going to start going in with some more detail. Mandalorian himself is a hard character to paint because there's so much detail anywhere you look. So I'm gonna have to draw in a lot of detail before I can get any paint down. Now you're gonna see me fail multiple times trying to paint and draw his gun, but eventually I do get it. You're gonna see I stuck a bunch of sticky notes together, and that's actually to protect my drawing, and it really helped. I saw another artist do it, and I was surprised at how well it worked. So I'll definitely be doing this again on one of my other drawings. So at this point I was pretty frustrated and I ended up going over the top with his gun and I made it way too big, but it helped me continue on with the actual painting. So finally we get some paint down on this bad boy, and we have a number of colors that we're going to be using, a lot of browns and a lot of grays. Started with a base of Tuscan gray, and from there I added in a little bit of white or a little bit of darker cinnamon brown in order to pull out a little more cream or a little more deeper brown, because I think that his paneling should have a lot of texture. And so here I start to get some paint on the gun, and I think I've got it. No, I don't. Nope, I'm gonna cover it over. Wow! Yep. And I'm gonna do it properly with a ruler, and now I think I have it this time. For the second time, we're gonna get some paint on this gun. So now that most of our paint is laid down, we're gonna go in with our Sharpie markers and just go to town. All these little details means a lot of little sharpieing, which I do love doing. So after considering it multiple times, I'm not going to be able to fit in the Kokafea eyes on his helmet. You're just not going to be able to recognize that it's the Mandalorian if I do. So instead, I'm going to fit them in somewhere else on him. And now we're gonna go in and start dotting away, because that is how I like to show a little bit of texture and a little bit of shade. And this is where I decided to squeeze the Kokafea eyes in. So now that I am done with my white Sharpie marker, we are done. We are so excited to be doing this piece, this trilogy, you could even say, of paintings for Bonafab Custom of the Mandalorian. Super cool. We love doing custom pieces for people. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to put the eyes on him, or else you wouldn't have been able to recognize that it was the Mandalorian. So I just put the Kokafea eyes on his chest, his breastplate there, as I mentioned before. We're so happy with how this turned out. You can go check out the finished final copy, all whited out, on our Instagram, which will be linked in our description box. You can go check that out. So leave a like, subscribe if you like the video, and if you want to see more content like this, I said that reversed, edit this out. If you like this video, like, subscribe. For more content like this, come back and check it out. This is Kokafea. Yo, what's up?